G'day folks, I have arrived with the BMW 2021 S1000R. We are going to throw the crate off this bike and jump into some of the specifications that it has to offer. Now we only have two of the colours here at the moment, which is the Racing Red Uni and the Style Sport Hockenheim Silver. We are also expecting the Light White / M Motorsport colour, which is the classic light blue, dark blue and red colour scheme. Some of the features that include in this motorcycle are the LED lighting system, the endurance chain, an M package with M colours and M carbon wheels. Now this motorcycle weighs 198.7 kilos with a full tank of fuel, including the M package as well. This machine produces 121 kilowatts at 11,000 RPM from its 999cc engine. It is also capable of reaching 114 Newton meters max torque at 9,250 RPM. Now BMW goes on to state that the sitting position is on the attack, but everything is under control. Thanks to the enlarged steering angle, dual adjustable handlebar clamp and 3 different seat heights, it is versatile and precise as ever. This machine also comes with a TFT display, which is the standard 6.5-inch connectivity. It comes with 2 core screens and a third in the M package, just like the RR. Now this display includes a route planning via the BMW Connected app. This motorcycle also comes with a keyless ride and a titanium sport silencer. Now as most BMWs, this bike comes in 4 different model variants. These include the S1000R, the S1000R Sport, the S1000R Race and the S1000R M Sport. Now each model comes with a wide range of different specifications, comfort packages, dynamic packages and M packages. Make sure you go and visit our website to have a look at what these packages have to offer. For example, the S1000R Sport comes with a passenger kit, USB charging socket, colour TFT screen with connectivity, DTC, ABS Pro, HSC, adaptive headlight, daytime riding light and a TPM. It also comes with a comfort package which includes a keyless ride, USB charging socket, heated grips and cruise control, and also it comes with a dynamic package which includes a Gear Shift Assist Pro, DDC, riding modes and an engine spoiler. And of course all of these options build up as you move towards the higher models, which is the S1000R M Sport. Now on a personal note, I love the S1000R. It is a machine that you can get everything out of what you would usually get in a RR with a little bit more comfortability in that naked riding position. However, it comes with everything that you need. The heated hand grips in the 3 different modes, the cruise control and the quick shift as well. Now BMW really are doing a great job with the colour schemes of these motorcycles. Now this is the Hockenheim Silver. I really love the yellow fluoro on these bikes and it is very similar to the S1000RR that comes with the orange fluoro. The great thing about these is that they're not too intrusive, but they really do make the bike pop. And it also comes in Racing Red. Now this is the quintessential BMW red with a little touch of black and white as well throughout the motorcycle. Now you can also get these bikes in a white colour, which we don't have here at the moment, but we will have them at our Granville location on Parramatta Road. So make sure you come and check them out very, very shortly. Now, I'm Tom from Bikebiz and I will see you at the store. G'day folks, Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles here. If you like this video and you would like to see some more unboxing and review videos of brand new motorcycles and many, many more, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, send us a like and also send us a comment on what other videos you would like to see us do.